Today's lesson is Chapter 17, Lesson 1, Addition Without Regrouping. So we'll begin with a 5-minute warm-up, then we'll move on to adding ones to a number using different ways. Then we'll move on to using place value charts to add tens. Then we'll use place value charts to add tens to a specific number. Then we will use place value charts to add two numbers with double digits, and then we'll solve the problem of the lesson. So let's begin with our warm-up. So we're going to review place value of numbers to 100. So what we're going to do is we're going to play kind of a matching game. I'll click on a card here, pick on a red card, and then what I'm going to try to do is find a card over here that matches this number. So that number is, say it with me, 91. Let's see if we can find 91 over here. So 8 tens and 8 ones. Not a match, because 91 would be 9 tens and 1 1. Let's see. 27. 2 tens and 7 ones. I have a match. Let's try another one. 59. So how many tens and how many ones would be in 59? 6 tens and 3 ones? Nope. That'd be 63, right? 88. Oh, where were those? 8 tens and 8 ones. Was that here? Oh, we got it. 8 tens and 8 ones. 2 points. Oh, I did the 59 again. Let's see. 9 tens and 1 1. I remember that one. Do you remember where that one was? That's right. We got a match. Now we have 3 points. 63. Oh, I remember seeing that. 6 tens and 3 ones. I picked the wrong one. 59. 5 tens and 9 ones. 63. 6 tens and 3 ones. 74. What will this card say? 7 tens and 4 ones. So we're just doing a little review of what we worked on in our last chapter. Okay, so in this one, we're going to add ones to a number in different ways. So I'm going to start with a number. My number is 52. So I have 52 plus 4 more. So notice I'm only adding ones this time. So one of the methods I can use is my number line. Since I'm only adding ones, it's pretty easy to use a number line. So I start with my 52 and I count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did I land on? That's right, 56. That would be one method. Another method I could use is my place value chart. So first I have to build my number. My number here is 52, so I have 5 tens. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 2 ones. 1, 2. And then how many ones do I have down here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I always begin by counting my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, came up with the same answer. And then my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 52 plus 4 equals 56. This time we're going to use a place value chart to add tens. So I'm going to start by writing my problem. I have 40 plus 50. So both of these numbers only have tens. Neither of them have ones. So let's build it in our place value chart, starting with 40. How many tens is that? That's right, it's 4 tens. And no ones. Now let's do 50. How many tens are in 50? That's right, 5. So we've got our ones, which is 0, so that doesn't change, right? 0 plus 0 equals 0. We have 0 ones in here. And then what I need to do is count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 tens plus 5 tens equals 9 tens. So 40 plus 50 equals 90. Okay, let's try another one of these. I'm going to erase my problem here. Let's drag these back because we're going to build another one. What should we add this time? Okay, how about 20 plus 60? So we have no ones to put in here. We're just building the numbers. So in the number 20, how many tens do I have? That's right, 2. So we need to put them up here. 1, 2. And in the number 60, how many tens? That's right, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 0 ones. And how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. So 20 plus 60 equals 80. I love adding with tens. I'm going to scoot on to the next problem. The next problem, we're going to use the place value chart to add tens to a number. So that means we're going to start with a double-digit number. Let's start with 63. And then we're going to add some tens. So if I say 63 plus 20, because I'm not adding any ones this time, I'm just adding tens. So first I'm going to build my numbers. I need to build 63. So how many tens? That's right, 6. So help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 tens. And how many ones? That's right, 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the number 20, I just have tens. How many? How many do I have? That's right, 2. 1, 2. All right, so let's go back over here. We're going to first count up our ones. 1, 2, 3 ones, which makes sense because 3 plus 0 equals 3. And then we have 6 tens and 2 more tens. So help me count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. So the 63 plus 20 equals 83. Now notice we always begin with the ones. We always move, it's kind of different because we move from ones to tens to hundreds. So we move this direction when we're adding or subtracting. All right, let's try another problem. We want to build another problem where we're adding tens. How about 38 plus 40? 38 plus 40. So first I need to build my 38. So in the number 38, how many tens do I have? That's right, I have 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many ones? That's right, I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the number 40, how many tens do I have? That's right, I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's begin with the ones. We have 8 ones. We don't have any more, so we have 8 ones because 8 plus 0 equals 8. And then we have to count our tens. How many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tens. So 38 plus 40 equals 78. All right, let's move on to the next kind of problem. In this one, we're going to use our place value chart to add 2 numbers, and both of our numbers are going to be double digit. So let's add 35 plus 24. So first we have to model our numbers. So let's begin with 35. So in the number 35, how many tens? That's right, 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many ones? Correct, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's build our number 24. How many tens in the number 24? That's right, 2. 1, 2. And how many ones do we have? Correct, 4. So help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's begin with our ones. We have our 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 ones, and now we do our tens. We have our 3, 4, 5. Notice how I'm making my numbers line up below their corresponding column. Ones, tens. So 35 plus 24 equals 59. Great, let's try another one of those. These ones are kind of fun. What should we add this time? What if we did a doubles problem? Do you remember what a doubles is? That's right, when you add a number to itself. Let's do a super doubles. How about 44 plus 44? Okay, so now we're going to build it. How many tens? That's right, the tens are the same. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many ones? Yep, it's the same as well. This is a super double. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since it's a doubles, I'm just going to repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's begin by counting our ones. We've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I bet you can tell me what it's going to be for the tens. What do you think? Let's check it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you predict 8? Good job. 44 plus 44 equals 88. Now let's go on to the problem of the lesson. So for this problem, we're going to be adding 34 plus 21. So let's write that in our algorithm. 34 plus 21. Now I'm going to use a place value chart because I really like to use my tools. You might want to use your virtual manipulatives, but I'm just going to build my own place value chart because it's really easy to build. You just build it by making a box, and then you have a place for your tens, and you have a place for your ones. So first I'm going to build 34. So how many tens will I need to draw? That's right, 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many ones? Correct, 34. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to build 21. How many tens? Correct, 2. 1, 2. And how many ones? Yes, 1. So let's count up our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Now it's time to count up our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So 34 plus 21 equals 55. Hopefully these felt very familiar to you because we did these a couple of chapters back with smaller numbers. But now we're just moving to working with even greater numbers. Be sure you're using your place value tools, okay? Place value charts or virtual manipulatives. Be sure to use your tools when working with greater numbers.